In Tradingview charts, I'm going to show you the quick and easy way to actually have all these different time frames that you could select very quickly and very easily. How are they all saved there, right? What if I want a 2-minute or a 10-minute chart, right? It's very easy to have them up here. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. But real quick, go to the link down below in the description, get my free ebook of my top day trading strategy, and also check out my course while you're there. So let's figure out how do we do this. So if you come over here, you'll see a little arrow, left click that arrow, okay, and whatever time frame you want, all you need to do is you'll see there when you hover over it, there's a little star. Just click that star, and just like that, it'll actually add it. So here we now have just added both a 2-minute and a 10-minute on the charts, right? So it's very simple, very easy, very basic of how to actually just add these very specific time frames. So make sure you guys subscribe, like for more, and till next time.